Restore, replenish and inspire. I only wanted a sausage sandwich. Well, this bit here is obviously Greco-Roman, the Venus de Cento. And this bit over here reminds me a little bit of a Wild West town. Yeah! If you kind of know what I mean. Oh, wow, no, they've changed it. Oh, it's all changed. It's not even in the same building.
No.
Do you own it?
I do.
Oh, what's your name?
Zelda.
That's an interesting name.
Turkish.
Is it?
Yes.
So, tell me what this place is, please.
This is the Sanctuary in the middle of Bloomsbury. It's a cafe, new cafe. We've opened only 6 months ago, so we're quite new.
Is it working?
It is working. It's going really well.
It looks really lovely.
Thank you.
Well done, you.
Thank you.
It's much. Who cooks?
So obviously, I'm going to say it's amazing.
Whoa! Look at these cakes. Have you made any of these cakes?
Yeah. So the Irish whiskey cake is my one.
Oh, mate.
Yeah. And the gluten-free carrot and nut. Very nice. Even though it's gluten-free, it's amazing.
I love this. You're not licensed, are you?
We are licensed as well.
You've got wine and
So
beer
if you
and-
enjoy wine or beer, cider. We've got some lovely local cider from Bedindon Vineyard.
That's a nice menu as well. So, scrambled eggs with smoked salmon, I think. What do you fancy, Mrs. W?
Scrambled eggs on toast.
Without any extras?
No, just as it is, I think.
I met you before, didn't I?
Yes, I did. You came in and had a facial with me.
You were really good.
Oh, thank you very much, Greg. You were a pleasure to have.
What do you think of this new setup?
Yes, I love it. I think it's gorgeous.
It's really smart, isn't it?
It is really lovely, and Soda's brings such a lovely vibe, and it's really refreshing, and everyone loves it. So it's lovely to meet Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. That's a very pretty mocha. Anna, what exactly is a mocha? Because I've ordered it. I'm not. Is it chocolate and coffee?
It's a hot chocolate with coffee, yeah.
Right. Okay, I got it right. I thought it might be some sort of dance. Right, everybody, do the mocha. Dun 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 dun. You're gorgeous. And I was looking at my reflection. That is a lot of smoked salmon on there. I don't know what the salad's doing on there, but hey, I'll forgive them. It does make the dish look pretty, but smoked salmon, scrambled eggs, and a salad. What was that on?
They're very bouncy scrambled eggs. I don't think I've ever seen such bouncy scrambled eggs.
Nice though, right?
Yeah, really nice.
Absolutely wonderful scrambled eggs. Really buttery, creamy even. Very generous portion of smoked salmon. Very, very nice indeed. And a salad. Did I mention the salad? That salad's troubling me. Anna, can you remember the last time you had breakfast and a salad?
No, I don't think so. But I think, like you said, it makes it look pretty, doesn't it? It adds a bit of colour.
Listen, it's absolutely fine. That is nicely cooked and that tastes great. Did I mention the salad? Wedge of lemon's a nice touch. Very nice. Honestly, I love it here. I think this place is absolutely fantastic. Food's nice, people are friendly, it looks great. You can hear the water gurgling and a bit of gentle jazz music playing. Properly calm. It's really nice. Until I came, of course, and then just up the energy.
Been in hospitality my whole life, from the age of about 12 to 14.
What, 6 years ago?
Yeah, my parents had a greasy spoon.
Where?
In Grove Park. in Grove Park, and then I got my own cafe with my husband at 20 with a baby in tow. So yeah, I've done it my whole life.
So why here?
It's beautiful. Kent's beautiful. It's really special.
I can save you a lot of money.
Oh, can you?
Yeah. Stop putting salad on the scrambled eggs.
Noted. Noted.
I really like it here.
Oh, thank you.
I really, really like it here.
That really means.
What do you think, little Anna?
Yeah, really lovely.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Io sono molto contento. The sun's come out, darling. Blue sky.
Matches my dress.
Certainly does. Now, that was £31.30. I think that was good value, don't you?
Yeah, definitely. Like really big portions, really tasty. Nice latte.
Yeah, I had a big mocha. That was really nice food with genuinely friendly, nice people in a lovely setting.
Yeah.
Well done them. Well done them.